Hello, my name is Jonas Koch and I'm a technical project manager at Fischer, Knoblauch & Co. Today I would like to give you a short overview of the SCORM standard. SCORM stands for Shareable Content Object Reference Model, but is in fact the industry standard for the exchange of learning progress data between web-based learning applications and learning platforms. Let me explain by drawing you a quick diagram. We have a WBT, or web-based training video, on the one hand, and an LMS, or learning management system, on the other. They should now exchange information, so the LMS captures the learner's data. That's exactly what the SCORM standard is for. The SCORM standard specifies which variables can be exchanged. In more simple terms, it is the language with which the WBT and the LMS can communicate with each other. The most common example of such a variable would be the completed status. This refers to the learner's status within a WBT, and whether he or she completed it or not. The LMS stores this data individually for each learner. Now it can provide this data to the learner. If, for instance, the learner begins the WBT repeatedly, or it can provide this data for administration purposes in the LMS as a statistic. We now come to the great advantage of SCORM as a standard, which is when we have a second WBT, and this WBT also complies with the SCORM standard. They can easily exchange information with the same LMS. The other case is when we have a second LMS. Insofar as this LMS also meets the SCORM standard, it can exchange information with both the first and the second WBT.